Alright guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to use the Valhalla Vintage Reverb, alright, and teach you what you have to put in your mind whenever you are using reverb. If you're a beginner, without wasting much of your time, let's start right after the intro. Yo, the name is Gosa once again, and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment, I subscribed. Alright guys, we are in FL Studio now, and I'm gonna show you how to use the Valhalla Vintage Reverb, or how to use reverb perfectly. Alright, so we're gonna use this ad-lib. First thing we're gonna do is to set the tempo, which is 90 BPM. Alright, like that. Then next thing we're gonna do is to route this to the mixer track. Double click on that, route it to mixer track 1. Okay, so let's listen to the ad-libs without any auto tune. Alright, then I'm gonna introduce the auto tune artist. Alright, so the key for this ad-lib is C# major. If you don't know how to detect the key, then go and watch my video on how to detect the key for unknown beats or vocals. Alright, the link will be in the description box, or watch the video that will pop up on the screen. C# major. Then I'm gonna push the routine speed all the way up like this, give it a little bit humanized. Now let's listen. Alright, so the next thing we're gonna do is to EQ this vocal a little bit. So I'm gonna use the parametric EQ from FL Studio. Alright, parametric EQ 2, which is a default plugin. Then I'm gonna click on this preset. Alright, then go to vocal presence like this. Alright, so now listen to that. What I'm gonna do next is to create add channel where we're gonna introduce our reverb. So click on any of these, insert channel, then we're gonna change the name and give it a color. Alright, so we're gonna call that reverb, then give it a color. Let me go for this color, which is orange. Then we're gonna hit accept. Then what we're gonna do is to right click and go to dark 2. Alright, so we're gonna dark it to the right. Even when we adjust the mixer track, it will still be there for you to see. Alright, then what we're gonna do next is to add the reverb here on this add channel. Alright, so click here, then let's introduce the Valhalla Vintage Reverb. Okay guys, this is the Valhalla Vintage Reverb. I really love it. It's simple to use if you know how to use reverb perfectly. Alright, you can click here and choose any of these presets. Super simple. Alright, so what we're gonna do is to select the bright hole. Next thing we're gonna do is to open our browser. Alright, so search reverb calculator, hit accept. Then I want you to click on the first link. So when you click on the first link, it's gonna take you to this page. Alright, all you need to do is to type your BPM here. As you can see, when I type BPM, look at these parameters, they are changing. Alright, so what we're gonna do is to enter our 90 BPM. Alright, so guys, if you look here, you can see the reverb size, the pre-delay, the decay time, and the total reverb time. Alright, so we're gonna choose the whole. So if you watch here, this is 83 milliseconds, which is the pre-delay. Let's go to FL Studio and set that. So all you need to do is to enter the same parameter here, which is 83. I want you to watch here. For you to get accurate results, just hold the control key on your keyboard. So 83, like that. All right, then so just do the same thing here, 83. Then let's check the decay time, which is 5250. all right, so you can round it to the nearest decimals, which gonna be 5.2. decay 5.2, like this. All right guys, then next thing you can do is to cut off some of the low ends. Super simple, like that. Then guys, how do you link our ad lib to the reverb? All you need to do is to click on the ad lib, then just click here. All right, so listen to this reverb on the vocals without any control. You can hear there is a lot of reverb, so we're gonna control that by playing with the we're gonna control the volume by adjusting this knob here. Give it a little bit. This is without the reverb. Listen. And with the reverb. Next thing you need to do is to just drag this all the way down to cut off more of the low ends. Now that you know how to use reverb, then watch the next video to know how to use auto tune. If this video helps you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel. Let's see ourselves in the next video. Stay blessed.